Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be opening these two Celebrations tin. But not only that, we will be also opening these two Celebrations box. We are going to compare these two boxes against these two tins. See which has a better pull rate. Yeah, so these are what we're going to open. I guess let's start with the Sylvian one. Yeah, so for the reason why I want to make this video is because number one, I would like to know if the tins are actually the tins has actually a better pull rate. Yeah, so the code card is yeah, the promo card. So yeah, there's our first Sylvian promo card. So here is the code card for you guys. And also, I have actually opened a tin before, and yeah, let's see what's inside. I've actually opened a tin before and actually pulled a Charizard from one tin and a Golden Mew from another tin. And then one of my friends bought a Charizard box and he did not get anything. Anyways, let's see. We got a Vivid Voltage and a Battle Styles. And we got 4 Celebrations. Do we get Vivid Voltage and Battle Styles from each pack? So, yeah, let's go ahead and open this tin too. It's our first Charizard promo card, and we got 4 more, also Battle Styles and Vivid Voltage. Okay, so we got 2 Battle Styles and 2 Vivid Voltage. Let's go for a Battle Styles. What I'm looking for from this Battle Styles set is the alt art. Battle Styles has a very beautiful alt art, and it's kind of hard to pull because the pull rates are bad for Battle Styles. But let's see, we might get lucky. We got Electabuzz, Bellsprout, Rapid Strike, Reverse Mustard, and a Victreebel. Okay, I guess let's start the celebrations. It's the code card. One at the back. So we're missing several cards from our Celebrations Master Set. Ooh, a Professor Research and a Zekrom. We have not pulled a Zekrom. Ooh, that's one more. This will add one more to our Master Set. Nice. We pulled a Zekrom. So already from our first pack, we already pulled a Classic Collection, something we don't have. It's not a Magikarp, but we don't have that. We don't have a Zekrom too. Yeah, so let's put that there. See if we can get lucky again. It's like 1.4D tin and just a Groudon. Okay, let's go back to the Vivid Voltage. Pray for some Rainbow Chunkachu. Yeah, for the celebrations, I think what we're missing is Blastoise from the starter. I think we've pulled, sorry, I'm trying to segregate the Vivid Voltage from the battle styles. In Jada, Warcraft, Blitzel, Electro, Reverse Hollow, and just a Crocodile. Let's go for another Celebrations. So we're also missing the Shining Magikarp, Mew and Mewtwo EX, and also, what else did we miss? I don't think we even have the Here Comes Team Rocket, right? Oh, okay, just a Xerneas. But yeah, I think the hardest card to pull would be the Shining Magikarp. So, Magikarp, help me get that. I really want that Shining Magikarp. I think that's the card that I want most right now that we have not pulled. But I will take a Charizard if this thing will give me Charizard, I'll take it. Kyogre. Got Mew and just a Groudon. Okay. Let's go back to our battle styles. It's actually great that they put these other sets like battle styles in Vivid Voltage. Otherwise, we'll just be opening Celebrations over and over. Let's see. Got Morpeko, Doublade, Remoraid, Cubone, Ponyard, Houndour. We got Shinx, Houndour as our Reverse Hollow, and a Steelix. Just a regular rare Steelix. Yeah, so let's finish off our random packs, our Vivid Voltage Battle Styles pack. So we can go back to our 4 more Celebrations. Can we get the Rainbow Rare Pikachu? The Chunkachu? We got Pineco, we got Clefairy, Tynamo, Beldum as our Reverse Hollow, and just a Lucario. Yeah, okay, let's go back to our Celebrations. Hopefully we get something out of these 4 remaining packs. We've hit 3 strikes already straight. So hopefully we get something here. Okay, so that's there. We got Zekrom, Lugia, Professor's Research, and just a Ho-Ho. Yeah, we need to speed this up because we still have 2 more boxes to open. Yeah, the code cards there. I don't think there's a green or white code card, right, for Celebrations. I think it's all random. Got a Full Art Pikachu and a Imposter Professor Oak. Okay, we already have this one though. Yeah, 2 more packs. Blastoise, Shiny Magikarp. We need Mew, Mewtwo EX. So far, we pulled 2 out of our 8 packs. So let's see if we can get a lucky Professor's Research again. It's like our 4th, and a Reshiram. Okay, let's go for our last pack for the tins. See if the tins can get 1 more Classic Collection. Let's see if we can get something. Got a Kyogre, Groudon, Flying Pikachu, and a Mega Rayquaza EX. Nice. I already pulled this before, but this is one of the hard pulls also. Damn, we got a Rayquaza EX, Mega Rayquaza EX. Look at that. Yeah, okay, I guess let's go to our celebrations box now. Yeah, so that's our promo, our jumbo card. We got our celebrations. We got, oh, okay, we got a Darkness Ablaze and a Battle Styles for this one. So we got, there we go, our 4 and 2 packs. Wait, so here is the code card, by the way. Let's also open our Charizard box. Our Lance promo card, our jumbo card. Let's put the jumbo card over there. Never mind. Yeah, so another Battle Style and a Darkness Ablaze code card. So there we go. Let's go for the celebrations first. This is from the Charizard box. The bottom ones are from the Dark Sylveon box. Let's see if we can get something. Let's see if this boxes can beat the celebrations. We got some Zamazenta V. We got a Kyogre. Okay, let's go for the Battle Styles. I think we should go through all of the random packs first, so we can go straight to the celebrations, all the way to the celebrations. Okay, let's see. We got a Battle Styles, Karina's Focus, Purgly, Honchkrow, Glameow, Corphish, Scatterbug. We got Cubone, Murkrow, Mienfoo are reverse, and a Slowbro. Yeah, okay, a Darkness Ablaze pack. Okay, that was a very easy to tier pack. Okay, so the code card, that's a white code card. It was upside down. Maybe that's how Darkness Ablaze is. Got Fetchinder. Got Suelis, Pupitar, Larvesta, Sentret, Hippopotas, Purloin. We got Feebas. We got Stinny, Reverse Hollow, and a Tapu Koko. Hollow Tapu Koko. Okay, let's go for let's finish these random packs first. I think one of the sets I have not opened a booster box from is the Darkness Ablaze. I'll try to get one. If you guys would like to see me open a Darkness Ablaze booster box, let me know down at the comments. Silicobra, Onyx, Azure Reverse, and ooh, a Luxray. A regular rare Luxray. Yeah, these assorted packs is not giving us anything today. So the code card is like this. Oh yeah, that's right, okay. The assorted packs are not treating us well. Hopefully there are remaining celebrations pack will give us something better. Got Larvitar, got Shelmet, Nickit, Reverse Mr. Rhyme, and a Flygon. Just a regular rare Flygon. Okay, so what's left is our celebration packs now, right? So let's see if the boxes can beat the tins. Let's see. Let's go. Zekrom. We got Zamazenta. I mean Zacian. The previous one was Zamazenta. And a dark Gyarados. Okay. Yeah, we already pulled our dark Gyarados. I think we pulled 2 at least. I'm not sure. It's a classic collection. And I'll take it. Let's go. We want that shining Magikarp. Zamazenta V this time. And a Veltal. Yeah. Is that an upside down code card? I think I felt something. I think this is a classic collection, but we'll see. We get a Zacian again after Zamazenta and a Cleffa. We pulled 2, I think, Cleffa before. So yeah, it's a classic collection, but we already pulled it. Yes, so we still have 4 packs left. Can we get something from our master set that we still don't have? Let's see. Groudon. Another dog. And a Ho-Oh. Man, I guess right now the tins are winning. Unless you pull like a shining Magikarp or a Mewtwo EX maybe. See, we got Lugia. Mew, we want your EX form and a just a Cerneas. Okay guys, we're off to our last 2 packs. Hopefully we get at least 1 more classic collection. Yeah. Lugia. Groudon, Solgaleo, and a, let's see what we get here. Just a Cosmoem. We still got nothing. Okay guys, this is our last celebrations. The boxes. We need to pull something great here for the box to make a comeback against the tins. The tins, we got Zekrom, we got Mega Rayquaza EX, so that's kind of hard to beat. What could beat that? I don't know, maybe Blackstar Umbreon or Charizard. But I don't think. Let's pray for the last pack magic. Let's see what we get. We get a Reshiram. A full art Reshiram. Nice. I'll take it. It's Reshiram. So we got 3 classic collection from the tins and also 3 from the boxes. So we got 3 each, but obviously the tins have much better classic collection that we pulled. I think we have to give it to the tins. Yeah, so we're still opening this VMAX Climax at the end of every video, because I still want to pull. The character rares from this set, and there's like 90 of them. So also we want to pull a God pack. That's still not out of the question, right? We still can get a God pack, right? We got Kakuna, we got Mr. Rhyme, Spiritomb, that girl, Jolteon, Taurus, Cresselia, Ace, Scorch, Chipede, VMAX, and a Ooh, we pulled a Dedenne. Hyper rare trainer. Nice. This is one of the character rare that I want to pull. Nice. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Yes, obviously the tins win from the against the boxes. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe. Tell me comment down below, guys. What set would you like me to open? Would you like for me to open more celebrations? Because I still have not completed our master set. So yeah. Thank you.